If you're trying to upload a document to DocuSign and you keep getting an error, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error uploading issue step by step. These fixes are simple, quick, and work in most situations. So if your file won't upload, keeps failing, or shows an unsupported error message, stay with me until the end. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is your file size. DocuSign has file size limits, and if your document is too large, the upload will fail. In most cases, DocuSign supports files up to 25 megabytes per document, but this can vary depending on your account type. To check your file size on Windows, right-click the file, click Properties, and look at the size. On a Mac, right-click the file, select Get Info, and you'll see the file size there. If your file is too large, you can compress it. For PDFs, use an online PDF compressor or export a reduced size version from Adobe Acrobat. After reducing the size, try uploading it again. Next, make sure you're using a supported file format. DocuSign works best with PDF files, and PDF is always the recommended format. It also supports Doc and DOCX files from Microsoft Word. If you're trying to upload something like a PNG, JPEG, or another uncommon file type and it's not working properly, convert it to PDF first. You can do this by opening the file and choosing Print to PDF, or by using an online file converter. Once converted, save the new PDF version and upload that instead. In many cases, simply switching to PDF completely resolves the uploading error. The third thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and cause DocuSign to fail. Open your browser and go to a speed test website like fast.com to quickly check your connection. If your speed is very low or keeps dropping, try restarting your router. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible, or move closer to your router. After stabilizing your connection, refresh DocuSign and attempt the upload again. If the issue still isn't fixed, try using an Incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or saved cookies interfere with uploads. Open an Incognito or private browsing window and log into DocuSign there. Then attempt to upload your document again. If that works, the issue is likely related to your browser settings or extensions. You can also try switching browsers entirely. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. This simple step solves a surprising number of upload problems. Finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, cached files can be corrupted and cause unexpected errors. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then clear the data. Restart your browser afterward, log back into DocuSign, and try uploading the document again. So to quickly recap, check your file size, make sure you're using a supported format like PDF, test your internet connection, try Incognito or another browser, and clear your cache and cookies. One of these steps will usually fix the DocuSign error uploading issue. If this video helps you fix the problem, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.